Did we all know that Durga Devi has taken 9 forms? These 9 forms of Mata Durga are worshipped with great devotion during auspicious occasion of Navratri. Each form represents a unique aspect of Mother Divine known as Navdurga. Let's embark on a spiritual journey and delve into the significance of these 9 manifestations. Navratri is not just a festival. It is a celebration of the great battle between the powerful demon Mahishasura and the formidable goddess Durga. Every year during Navratri, an incarnation of goddess Durga is worshipped on each day, marking her victory over Mahishasura and the triumph of good over evil. During these 9 nights of devotion, people, especially women, follow a tradition of wearing a specific color that corresponds to each day. Now let's explore each of these 9 divine forms in intricate detail. Goddess Shailputri. Mata Shailputri, also known as Parvati or Hemvati, is revered as the daughter of the Himalaya. The first day of Navratri is dedicated to worshipping Shailputri. Devotees humbly offer pure desi ghee at her divine feet, believing that this gesture bestows a life free from ailments and illness. The color of the day is vibrant orange. Goddess Brahmacharini. On the second day of Ashwini month, Dvitiya, we venerate Goddess Brahmacharini. She adores simplicity in both food and offerings. Devotees present a bag of sugar and fruits to her, seeking longevity and prosperity for their families. The day is adorned with the pristine color of white. Goddess Chandraghanta Mata. Chandraghanta is worshipped on the auspicious third day of Navratri, Tritiya Tithi or Ashwin Shukla Paksha. With a half moon adorning her head and a lion as her mount, she is believed to vanquish all this evil. Her heart is pleased with offerings of milk, sweets or kheer, and the color that resonates with her power is radiant red. Goddess Kushmanda. The 4th day of Navratri is dedicated to worshipping Goddess Kushmanda. According to Hindu scripts, she illuminated the dark cosmos with her smile, creating the cosmic egg. Devotees honor her by fasting and offering Malpua as bhog. Royal blue is the color that signifies this day's devotion. Goddess Skandamata. On the 5th day of Navratri, we worship Mata Skandamata, who gracefully sits on a lotus with a lion as her companion. Offering bananas to this goddess is believed to bestow good health upon her devotees. The day is adorned with color yellow. Goddess Katyayini. Mata Katyayini, the 6th form of Mata Durga, is worshipped on Shashti of Ashwini month. As the daughter of sage Katyayan, she symbolizes sweetness and strength. Devotees offer honey as prasad, filling their life with sweetness of her blessings. The color of the day is vibrant green. Goddess Kalratri. Kalratri, fierce and protective, graces the 7th day with her presence. She shields her true devotees from evil powers and spirits. Devotees make offerings of jaggery or sweets made with jaggery and provide prasadam to Brahmins accompanied by dakshina. The day is cloaked in the calming color of grey. Goddess Mahagauri. The 8th day of Navaratri is dedicated to Goddess Mahagauri. Devotees present coconuts as bhog, believing that the act blesses childless couple with the gift of a child. The color of the day symbolizing grace is purple. Goddess Siddhidatri. On the 9th and the final day of Navratri, we pay homage to Mata Siddhidatri. Devotees observe a fast and offer til or sesame seeds as bhog, seeking protection from misfortunes. The color that signifies this day's devotion is vibrant peacock green. These 9 forms of Goddess Durga, each with its unique significance and rituals, guide us through a spiritual journey of devotion and self-discovery during the sacred festival of Navaratri. The 9 forms of Durga Devi encompasses and symbolize qualities such as strength, transformation, anger, beauty, compassion, fear and power. These qualities are not only reflected in each individual but also in different events in the universe as a whole. Navratri, through its celebration of Navdurga, reminds us of the eternal battle between good and evil and the ultimate victory of righteousness. It's a time of spiritual reflection, devotion, and the vibrant colors of faith that illuminate our lives.